everyone, this video is to go over the similarities and differences in your DNA versus RNA Graphic Organizer. So just to begin, let's go ahead and start with what is the full name for DNA. It's deoxyribonucleic acid. So it has a very specific type of sugar. It's deoxygenated. That's what deoxy means. So deoxyribonucleic acid. For RNA, it doesn't have the D. So it's ribonucleic acid. The function of DNA is to store the genetic information for the cell. RNA uses DNA to convert the code of DNA into a protein. So RNA takes the genetic code from DNA and transforms it into a protein, okay? In deoxyribonucleic acid or DNA, there are two strands. It is a double-stranded helix. So you could think of D as double. So number of strands, there are two. In RNA, it is a single strand, so it has one. The bases present in DNA, always remember apple in the tree, chips in the guac, but the four types of bases are adenine, thymine, cytosine, and guanine, also known as A, T, C, and G. In RNA, it's slightly different. A pairs with U and C pairs with G. So I think aunts and uncles and chips and guac. And those bases or those letters stand for adenine, uracil, cytosine, and guanine. The sugar in the backbone for DNA is deoxyribose. So if deoxyribose, whoop, right there, is in DNA, what is the sugar that's in RNA? It's ribose. DNA is like the Mona Lisa. It can't leave the museum. DNA always stays in the nucleus. However, RNA has the ability to go into the DNA and take that messenger RNA and copy the code to leave the nucleus, and it moves into the cytoplasm. And in DNA, adenine pairs with thymine. Remember, apple in the tree. In RNA, adenine pairs with uracil. Think aunts and uncles. This is definitely a document I would keep and hold on to. Please don't hesitate to reach out if you have any questions.